Hello everyone. I'm Clarence Patawaran from BSIT 4B. For today's activity, we're going to install a DDS on our Windows Server Manager. First, log in on our Windows Server on VMware Workstation. After that, wait for the Server Manager to load. Now, click the local server and find the time zone to change it. Click the time zone and change the time zone to UTC+8, then click OK. After that, click the Ethernet. Then press right-click to your mouse and select Properties. Select the Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties to insert IP address. Select the Use the following IP address to insert IP address numbers. To find IP address, just search CMD on your Windows search bar. Open the CMD and type ipconfig and hit enter. To show the IP address, just memorize the IP address you saw and insert it to Server Manager. After that, click OK and wait for it to identify, then close. Now, we need to restart the Windows server to save our configuration. After that, let's just wait again to load the Server Manager. And now, click the Add Roles and Features. Just click Next. For this one, select the Active Directory Domain Services and click Add Features, then hit Next. And now, click the Install to start the installation of a DDS. After the installation, click Close. You can now see the DDS in our menu. You can see here the flag that has a warning sign. Let's fix it by clicking the flag. You can see here the warning sign. Just click the Promote this server to a domain controller. Click Add a new forest and insert root domain name that you want. After clicking Next, you can now create a password and click Next. Just click Next for the whole process. For this one, It will require you to install the prerequisites. Just click Install and wait for a moment to finish. After that, just hit the Close button to restart the Windows server. Let's just wait to load the server manager to see the result. After that, we can see now that we successfully installed the ADDS. That's all for today's activity. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone.